I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a video which will explain you how to find the percentile from the given data. The question is, the following data shows the length of 20 trout in centimeters. We have already arranged them in increasing order: 26, 28, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31, and so on till 40. Now all these figures are rounded to nearest centimeter. So we have round to nearest centimeter, right? So that is what has been done. There are four parts to this question. First one, what length of fish represents the 50th percentile? B is, what length of fish represents 85th percentile? C is, how many trout would be in the 75th percentile or above? And D is, a fish had a length of 30 centimeters, what percentile would it be in? So that's the question for you. I'd like you to pause the video, answer the question. Now in this we have 20 numbers. Now 20 is an even number. To find 50th percentile, what do? We have to find the middle value, right? So you can say 50th. So what you do is you divide n plus 1 by 2 to find the center value or the median in this particular case, right? So if you do 20 plus 1 divided by 2, you get 10.5. So we're trying to find the middle value, which is also second quartile. Let me write Q2 also here, right? This is for 50th percentile. So second quartile is the same thing. 10.2 is in the sequence number. That means middle of two values. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So it is middle of these two values. These two values. Is that okay? Now for us both are 33. So the 50th percentile is 33 plus 33 divided by 2. So it is same as 33. Correct? So that is the 50th percentile. So as you can see from here, 50th percentile represents second quartile or the median, right? So this is, you can also say median. Okay. Now we'll talk about what length of fish represents 85th percentile. Now to find that number in a sequence, 85th, that means we'll have 0.85 times total number, which is 21, right? 20 plus 1, 21. And find this number. This number is equal to 0.85 times 21 equals to, in decimals, 17.85, right? That means we want to find somewhere between 17th and 18th number in order. So arrange your data in order and then find. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, right? So these two are 17th and 18th numbers, right? So anywhere between them is the point of our interest. Is that okay? So that gives you the average of these two. So for 85th percentile, so we have 85th percentile will be 37 plus 38 divided by 2, which is 37.5. Do you get the idea, right? So that becomes the length. And since we are rounding our numbers to nearest centimeter, we'll write this as 38 centimeter. Is that okay? So 33 centimeter was previous answer. So you have to round your numbers to the nearest centimeter. Now the next one here is, how many trouts would be in 75th percentile or above, right? So or above. So we are looking for numbers which are greater than equal to 75th percentile. Is that okay? So that is what it means. Now to find this, what we will do is we'll find where 75th percentile is. So we'll do 0.75 times 21 to find the number in sequence, which is 0.75 times 21. It gives us in decimals 15.75. And 75th percentile is also third quartile, right? Q3. So 15 and 16. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it is between these two numbers. So what we find here is that is the place between them. So it is equal to 36 plus 36 divided by 2. So it is 36 centimeters is the length, that is the quartile. And when we say how many are above this, you can count how many values are above this point, right? So more than 36, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and equal to 36, we have 2 more, right? So the question here is, how many trouts would be in the 75th percentile or above, right? So in this particular case, we have to find the numbers which are above this point. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Do you get the idea? So find the quartile and then see the numbers which are above it. So that's what we get. Now, part D is, a fish had a length of 30 centimeters. What percentile would it be in? So 30, which is the number in this place? Okay, so we are looking at 30, which is here. We need to find its position. So out of all 30, I mean in our case this 30 is out of 20, the position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So the position of this number is 5. So we could do 5 out of 20, right? 5 out of 20 into 100. So that gives us the percentile for this location where the fish length is 30 centimeters, right? So 20 goes 5 times, so it is 25 percentile. So a fish had a length of 30 centimeters. What percentile would it be in? It will be in 25 percentile. So that is how we could actually answer these questions. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.